How to open HSBC Bank UK account online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can open HSBC Bank UK account online. Now the process is quite simple. So what you want to do is you want to open up your browser, or you can download the HSBC Bank account app as well. Now here in my case I'm on the browser. You can see I've searched in for HSBC Bank. Now once you search for it, if you scroll down below here, you'll find the HSBC official website. Here you want to simply select the option here. Once you select it, you can see you want to accept all cookies here. And what you can do the other way, or the alternate way, is you can simply head into your browser and there you can search in for hsbc.co.uk. you can see, and you'll be able to head into this page here. Now once here, what you want to do is here at the top right corner you can see the log on option. You can simply tap on the login option, and once you tap on the login option, it'll ask you for your login details. Now the trick here is what you want to do is, if you scroll down, you can see two different options: forgotten your username and not registered for online banking. Simply select the option not registered for online banking and it'll take you to the page where it says register for digital banking. Now here you can see, if you scroll down below, it says mobile banking app. The quickest and easiest way to register for our digital banking is by downloading our app. As I told you before, you can download the app. You can simply scan the QR code here to download the app, or you can head into the Play Store or here. Now if you scroll down, you can see how to register for mobile banking and online, and you can see register on a desktop device. You want to simply tap on register now option, and once you tap on register now option, it'll take you to the registration page. You want to simply continue, and once you tap on continue, you want to agree all the terms and conditions here. It'll ask you to read it, and once you do so, you want to simply click on this option here, tap I've read and agreed to the digital banking terms and conditions, and simply tap on continue. Now once you tap on continue, it'll ask you for verification code. Enter in your verification method, your credit card number, Invest Direct account number, and PMS account number. Once you enter all the necessary details, and you want to simply tap on continue, and you'll be able to register it. So this way you can open HSBC Bank UK account online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.